Yes, what is colligative property? The topic is colligative property. Colligative property, or another name is also democratic property. Democratic properties. Now, colligative property, it is a Latin word which means co. Co means together. Colligate, ligger means bind, together bind. This is a literally meaning, together bind, colligative property. Okay. Now, as we all know, solutions are two types: a concentrate solution and dilute solution. This colligative property is applicable only on dilute solutions. Okay, so we will study this. Yes, dilute solutions. Now, what is the concept of colligative property? So children, colligative property concept, according to this, right, it depends number of moles of particles, number of moles of solute, but do not depend upon the nature of solute. So this is a concept of colligative property, right? Simple. Now, another meaning is also, it is also known as democratic. Democratic means, so democratic property means democratic directly proportional to the number of persons. Okay, in civil life, right, the number of persons directly proportional to the democratic. That is why it is known as democratic property. So here we can write number of person means n, number of moles of solute. So mathematically we can write colligative property or democratic property directly proportional to n. N means number of moles of solute, right? This is the concept. So children, this is a concept of democratic property. Clear? Now next we are coming towards types of colligative property. Okay, so there are main 4 colligative property, right? So number one is simple. Number one is RLBP. Okay, the relative lowering in vapor pressure. Okay, second property is osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure. All right, symbolic representation is pi, osmotic pressure. Third is elevation in boiling point. Okay, delta TB. Fourth is depression in freezing point. Yes, delta TF. So there are 4 colligative properties: RLBP, relative lowering vapor pressure; osmotic pressure; elevation in boiling point. Now question arises like this. Question number 1: Is osmotic pressure is colligative property? Justify it. Okay, so simple question may ask like this, children. Is osmotic pressure colligative property? Is relative lowering vapor pressure is colligative property? Is elevation in boiling point colligative property? Is depression in freezing point a colligative property? Right? So simply you will write yes, they are all this colligative property. Yes, because osmotic pressure is depends upon n. Okay. Similarly, same reason pi, or if question asks like say the relative lowering vapor pressure directly proportional to the n, same, and elevate delta TB and delta TF, they are all directly proportional to the n. Okay. If question may ask is osmotic pressure, is elevation boiling point, is depression is freezing point, is colligative property justified, so we will answer is the same. What we will write? The concept of colligative property we will write. That will be our answer. And what is this? It depends upon the number of moles of solute, but do not depend upon the nature of solute of particles. Okay. So again I am revising. Recall the things. Key children, what is colligative property? So colligative property means it depends upon the number of moles of solute particles, but do not depend upon the nature of solute. Okay. Now question may ask, there are 4 colligative properties. Number 1 RLBP है, osmotic pressure है, and elevation and boiling point, depression and freezing point. They are all 4, or they are directly proportional to the n. N means number of moles of solute. Okay. So question is osmotic pressure colligative property? Justified. Is depression in freezing point colligative property? Justified. Is relative lowering vapor pressure is colligative property? Justified. So in a one line, in a one word, colligative property directly proportional n. This is the answer of this question. Okay. So now in this video we have covered the concept of colligative property and types of colligative property. In next video we will work this one by one. Okay. Thank you children.